After autumn, the weather starts to become dry, and the throat and skin are prone to itching and dryness, and sometimes there will be a little dry cough. At this time, it is very suitable to stew pears to moisturize. Cooked pears has a better effect of nourishing in and can moisturize the itching caused by the dry weather in autumn. Pear is sweet and cold, containing malic acid, citric acid, vitamin B1, B2, C, and carotene. It improves the production of saliva and moisturizing dryness. Pear has the effect of clearing away heat and reducing phlegm, especially suitable for consumption in autumn and winter. Compendium of Materia Medica is an encyclopedic gathering of medicine, natural history, and Chinese herbology. It recorded that pear's medical property can cure wind heat, nourishing the lung, cool the heart, reduce phlegm, reduce heat, and detoxify. It has a good effect on dry throat. Pears also have the effect of lowering blood pressure and nourishing in and clearing heat, so patients with hypertension, hepatitis, and cirrhosis often eat pears. Rock sugar pears can clear away heat and quench thirst. It has a very good therapeutic effect on chronic bronchitis, whooping cough, chronic pharyngitis, and other diseases. You can make a ball of stewed pears with rock sugar to help relieve cough and moisten the lungs. Goji berry is often used as a kind of medicine, which has the effect of relieving heat and cough, nourishing liver, kidney, lung, tonifying efficiency and essence, clearing away heat and improving eyesight. Goji berry has the functions of promoting immunity, anti-aging, clearing free radicals, anti-fatigue, protecting liver, and improving reproductive functions. Put a little goji berry when stewing rock sugar pears. It can better clear away heat and moisten the lungs. It is of great benefit to the body, and it can also help sleep. To prepare, chop the pears into pieces. Add rock sugar. Steam until pears are soft for about 30 to 40 minutes. Add goji berry and steam 5 more minutes. You may eat raw sugar pears at any time, but stewed pears are more effective when eaten hot. Since raw sugar pears is a dessert, it is recommended to eat it between meals so as to replenish energy without gaining weight. Eating dessert after a full meal may increase the burden on the stomach, and it is also easy to gain weight.